In front of me is ZTE Blade v2020, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on this device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with a bar on navigation. So here we've got recent items button, back button, and then home button in the middle of the screen. And if you'd like to change it, just open the settings, then find and select, in search area enter navigation, and select virtual navigation. And here in a navigation style, you can see both options. So you can either use buttons or you can apply gestures. And as only gestures are active, you can smoothly slide from right to left or from left to right to go back. Just like this. Then slide up to go back to your home screen. And if you want to see all recently used apps, just slide up and hold it for a while, like this. And here you've got all the apps. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.